Okay, last frame for all those ones. So we got a good stock of certain ones right now. 303-666-9020. Website's jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it on there. So this is a 9702 4-cylinder frame. If you have a 6-cylinder and you want to use this, you can. There's a couple differences, but they're fairly easy to do. And they're sometimes a little bit easier to get a hold of, although I think this is the last 3 I have. So this is probably the best one I have. So anyway, just going to give you a bird's eye view of it, show you anything that may or may not be wrong. Obviously it's perfect, just like most of our frames are. There's not a speck of rot, not even really any scaling. Black paint you see is factory paint. That's all the paint that originally came on it. That's how good a shape these are in. Yeah, so I think that's it. Let's see. Obviously I'm gonna flip it over, but I like just to give you, just like if you were here in person. You can watch this video as many times as you want. If you see anything, comments, questions, any concerns, give us a call. Be happy to answer anything from you. This is just from it kind of flipping it upside down. Get a little scratch there on the top paint. But let me flip her over. Let's see here. This is about 41 I've done today, so I'm a little bit tired. And I'm running out of light, so let's just get real close, up close and personal on this guy. And then I'll give you a scan out here just a second. These are obviously important. Those love to break off in there, both sides. Those are nice and clean. You'll be able to thread your belly pan right back on. This is obviously an area. These love to rust under here too. We usually pull these so you can see. I can get my fingernail in there. I want to show you how clean it is because it's nice, clean, all good, nothing scaling, nothing like that at all on it. And this side as well, maybe. A bit of dirt in there, but wipes right off. So really nice, clean 4-cylinder frame. You will not be displeased with it whatsoever. And lose my voice. I think that's it. About to run out of light. I'm gonna finish up the photos and call it a night. I appreciate your time, and again, 303-666-9020. jeepsunlimited.net, and that'll do it for me.